To download the Chrome browser, you will need to visit google.com/Chrome. Once you get to this page, you will see the blue Download Chrome button. Underneath that, you'll want to make sure that it says for Mac OS. Go ahead and press the Download Chrome button. The download will begin, and you'll see the download at the bottom of the browser page, or you will see it when it is finalized in your downloads folder on your computer. Remember that you can use whatever existing web browser you already have to go to this page and download the browser. So once that download is completed, you will need to follow the instructions that are on this page. So you'll grab the downloaded file and just simply drag it into your applications folder. You can do this by going to your downloads folder, grabbing that file, and then dragging it to your applications folder as well. So once you do that, the Chrome browser icon will appear, and you will be able to just double click on it and open up your new Chrome browser.
Be sure to follow the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement on Twitter or Instagram at RUSD_ILE and share your distance learning experiences using the hashtags above.